Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss some important MCQs on higher education system. This is our second video on higher education system. And friends, for your upcoming Northeast set examination, this is the syllabus from higher education system. You are already aware about this syllabus. Then for your upcoming Northeast set examination, we are providing you test series where we are providing you 40 tests for paper 1. Friends, here each test is having 50 questions from all the 10 units, and here you will be prepared for 2000 MCQs. With this, we are also providing you 1000 MCQs for paper 1. On each unit, we are providing you 100 MCQs. Totally, you are prepared for 3000 MCQs here. And this is enough preparation for your paper 1. You can focus more on your paper 2 preparation. And here you can also download the PDF with answers, all the 40 mock tests plus 1000 MCQs. We are providing you notes on each unit, and complete study material will be provided you. All these are available only at rupees 599. To join for these tests and 1000 MCQs, you can send WhatsApp message to this displayed number. And friends, once if you subscribe for these 40 tests plus 1000 MCQs, then you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group where we can get the test links, where you can download the PDF, where you can discuss on MCQs. So let us move to the questions. Here the first question is, India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. The states and the territories thereof shall be specified in option A, first schedule, option B, second schedule, option C, third schedule, option D, none of the above. Friends, India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. The states and the territories thereof shall be as specified in the first schedule. So option A is the correct answer. First schedule is the right answer. Here you can see the explanation. Constitution of India, India, that is Bharat, shall be union of states. And second one, the states and the territories shall be specified in the first schedule. Okay, please remember this. Let us move to the next question. Directive principles of state policy included in the Constitution of India have been inspired by the Constitution of option A, USA, option B, Ireland, option C, Canada, option D, Australia. Friends, here the right answer is option A, USA is the correct answer. Okay, directive principles of a state included in our Constitution have been inspired by the USA Constitution. Okay, please remember it. And the next question is, which of the following has the most profound impact on our Constitution? Option A, Government of Act 1935, option B, Constitution of USA, option C, Constitution of UK, option D, Constitution of Ireland. Friends, the most profound impact on your Constitution is option A, Government of India Act 1935. Okay, the Government of India Act 1935 was an act of the Parliament of United Kingdom. Please remember this. Government of India Act 1935. It was an act of the Parliament of the UK, and it originally received royal assent. Please remember this. Government of India Act 1935. It received royal assent in August 1935, and it was longest act of Parliament ever enacted until Greater London Authority Act 1999 surpassed it. Okay, please remember all these points. Let us go to the next question. Legislative council in a state can be created by the option A, state legislative assembly alone, option B, president on recommendation of the governor, option C, parliament alone, option D, parliament on recommendation of the state legislature. Okay, legislative council in a state can be created by state legislative assembly. Okay, please remember the answer. The next question is, which of the following personalities was the chairperson of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? Very easy question. I hope you know the answer. Option A, Rajendra Prasad, option B, Tej Bahadur Sapru, option C, Raj Gopalchari, option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Chairperson of drafting committee of Indian Constitution was option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, on 29 August 1947, the Constitution Assembly set up a drafting committee. Please remember the date, under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The next question is, the secular character of the Constitution of India denotes that option A, state has no official religion, option B, equal opportunity to everybody to profess, practice and propagate of religion of their choice, option C, single citizenship to assured to all people irrespective of their religion, option D, all of the above. Okay, here the right answer is option D, all of the above. All are the right about the secular character of Indian Constitution. Okay, the next question is, which of the following articles provides for the fundamental rights in our Constitution? Okay, option A, the articles 13 to 36, articles 12 to 35, articles 15 to 39, none of the above. Okay, option B, articles 12 to 35 deal with the fundamental rights. Okay, please remember, articles 12 to 35 related to fundamental rights. Article 12 to 35 of the Constitution deal with the fundamental rights. There were seven fundamental rights, but they are the right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and education right to property, right to constitutional remedies. Okay, so currently we are having only 6 fundamental rights. Right to property, this is removed. Okay, currently we are having 6 fundamental rights. Right to property, this has been removed from our fundamental rights. Okay, let us move to the next question. Right to free education within certain limits is option A, guaranteed as a fundamental right, option B, enshrined in the directive principles of state policy, option C, outlined in the preamble of the Constitution, option D, ignored by the Constitution. Okay, right to free education within certain limits, it is in the directive principles of state policy. The next question is, which of the following legislative measure introduced the concept of collective responsibility of the Cabinet India? Option A, Minto-Morley reforms, option B, Independence Act 1947, option C, Constitution of India, option D, Government of India Act 1935. Okay, here also the right answer is Government of India Act 1935. Okay, here list 1 is showing us articles, list 2 is showing us institutions. Article 280, 324, 323, 315, and the institutions: administrative tribunals, election commission, finance commission, UPSC. Okay, here the right answer is option B. A is 3, means article 280 is related to finance commission, then article 324 is related to election commission, then article 323 is related to administrative tribunals, article 315 is related to UPSC. So article 280 finance commission, article 324 election commission, article 323 administrative tribunals, article 315 UPSC. So option B is the right answer. Here you can see the explanation. Finance commission, it is article 280, then article 324, it is the power of superintendence, direction, control of elections to parliament, state legislative, the office of the President of India and the Vice President of India. And article 323, it is of the Constitution for disputes and complaints with respect to recruitment and conditions of the savior of persons appointed to public services and posts. Okay, and article 315, it is UPSC. Okay, let us move to the next question. Which of the following writs may be issued to enforce a fundamental right? Option A, habeas corpus, option B, mandamus, option C, prohibition, option D, certiorari. Okay friends, here the right answer is option A, habeas corpus writs may be issued to enforce a fundamental right. and habeas corpus writ, it is also known as the great writ. Please remember, great writ, okay, of habeas corpus. It is a fundamental right in the constitution that protects against unlawful and independent imprisonment. And there are 5 writs are there. One is habeas corpus writ, second one is mandamus writ, prohibition writ, certiorari writ, and quo warranto writ. The next question is which fundamental right is concerned with the abolition of social distinctions? Option A, right to equality. Option B, right against exploitation. Option C, right to life and liberty. Option D, cultural and education right. Here the right answer is option A, right to equality. This fundamental right is concerned with the abolition of social distinctions. Okay, the right to equality, it includes equality before law, the prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sexual orientation, gender, place of birth, equality of opportunity in matters of employment, and also the abolition of untouchability. Okay, the next question is which among of the following is not guaranteed by the Constitution of India? Option A, freedom to own, acquire and dispose of property anywhere in the country. Option B, freedom to move freely throughout the country. Option C, freedom to assemble peacefully without arms. Option D, freedom to practice any trade or profession. Okay, B, C and D, all these are guaranteed by our constitution, but first one, freedom to own, acquire and dispose of property anywhere, it is not guaranteed by the constitution. The next question is the authority to issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights rests with option A, all the courts in India. Option B, the parliament. Option C, the Supreme Court. Option D, the president of India. Friends, this answer you have to comment in the comment box. This will help to assess your preparation, and also it will help me to bring more questions for you. And I wish all the best for who are appearing for the Northeast set. Okay, and once again I would like to remind you about our Northeast test series, where we are providing 40 tests plus 1000 MCQs. You can also download PDF and all. Then notes we are providing you, complete study material will provided you. All these are available only at rupees 599. Once if you subscribe for this test, you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group, where you can get the link and you can download the PDF and all. To join for these 40 tests and 1000 MCQs, you can just send WhatsApp message to this given number. Thank you friends, and for more videos, for more mock tests on UGC NET and other state set, you can subscribe to our Global Online University YouTube channel.